and welcome to Gotta Eat. My name is Rosie and this is my co-host, Isabella Jane.
No, you're my co-host.
No, I'm the main cook.
I'm the main cook.
I'm the main cook.
You can't cook.
Well, neither can you.
Cool, well I'm today making Nutella brownies.
So Della,
Yes.
what do you need to make Nutella brownies?
Well, you need Nutella.
How much is it?
The whole bottle. You need 350 grams of Nutella. You need half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs. Pay attention to the eggs. We're gonna have 2 full eggs and 1 yolk, and then a handful of chocolate chips, really to spice it up.
You're not spicing anything up, you're chocolating it up.
Exactly. So, step 1, we are going to melt our Nutella.
How are we gonna do that?
We're gonna put it in the microwave.
But Della,
Yes.
the foil on the top will blow up if it goes in the microwave.
No worries, because all you gotta do
Besides, eat.
is just take off the foil. So I'm gonna open...
What's she doing?
This is not gonna work. We're gonna open
That's terrible. This is a kid's show.
So there is something out of there because I did lick a little bit.
That means it's not 350 grams now. What are we gonna do?
Well, you don't have to worry because we have got the chocolate chips. So as you can see, we fully removed the foil because like Rosie says, it will blow up. So don't let that happen. Make sure you remove all of it. You are gonna put it in the microwave without the lid because it is plastic.
That stuff is toxic
Yes.
for you and the planet.
We're gonna microwave this for about 30 seconds so it can melt. So I'll be back.
With melted Nutella.
Runny Nutella is what you need for this. So we have melted this. We're going to use a big bowl.
I like big dolls and I cannot lie.
Something I can't deny. Okay, cool. So here's our big Le Creuset bowl. We're gonna pour our Nutella in here.
Dollop.
Will that work better? Just give it a bit of a shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake Nutella. Shake Nutella.
That's just making a mess. Can I? We're gonna spoon the rest out. Be right back, Rosie. You chill. I'm gonna take a spoon, and the reason we are using a spoon is because firstly we want to get it out of the jar, and secondly we want to eat it off the spoon. Obviously. My goodness. You don't want to melt your Nutella too much because the last thing you want is Nutella scrambled egg brownies. So make sure it's not too hot, otherwise your eggs will just cook. If this wasn't Nutella, I would say really try and get the most out of the jar. But you know, you do want to have a little bit left there purely to eat. So we're gonna do our best here. Now that we've done our Nutella, that's melted, we are going to use 2 full eggs. Oh. Want to whisk that quickly, just so that they don't cook or anything. Because then you're gonna have like 2 fried eggs on top of your Nutella. That's just gross. And now we want to use just our egg yolk. So there's a lot of tricks and hacks. The one that I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna get handy and we're gonna basically take it out. Make sure your hands are clean. That's gross otherwise. Cool. Basically, you're gonna take it and like you're cradling a baby with your hand. Cradle the baby. This feels really gross. In there, sticky fingers. Okay, we're gonna get that all nicely together. So we're gonna mix this until it is really smooth. Okay, then we're gonna add our half of a cup of all-purpose flour into it, and we're gonna fold it in. If you know what folding means, it's not the same as a t-shirt. You wanna basically, I'll show you, you got this. I can't believe that this is 3 ingredients. plus our chocolate chips, because that's fun. But that makes a brownie. There's no self-raising flour or anything. It's literally just all-purpose flour and some Nutella. A really cool flavor enhancer is salt. You may think like, ooh, I just put chocolate in my hair. Ooh. Salt in chocolate really actually does work. So we're gonna have just a little pinch. I'm gonna pop it in there to bring out the flavor of our chocolate and really also balance out the sweetness. You can't do this with a Rosie because you have to hold it and do it. You don't want to overmix it, so I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to grab Rosie and I'm going to pop some chocolate chips.
Oh, thanks for bringing me back. It's boring in there.
I'm sorry. So, as you can see, Rosie, we've put our flour, we've put our eggs.
Yeah, well done.
Now we're going to put our chocolate chips.
That's cool. Very chocolatey.
Yeah, and we're going to mix that just in. Grab a baking tray. You need about a 9-inch by what? 9-inch by 9-inch if you can. Otherwise, quite a small one. You want them not too thick. And you're going to line it with some baking paper
so that it doesn't stick.
Exactly. And then, Rosie, we're going to cook it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Or until the noodle isn't jiggly.
Exactly. So I'm going to put you back again.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
That's horrible.
And we're going to pour this into our tray. Ooh. Try and get all the edges. Kind of get it to the sides, just give it a bit of a jiggle. Get nicely to the sides, and we're gonna cook it. So, yeah. They've given me a little clock thing, so I don't forget to take the brownies out of the oven. Una poca de gracia, papi, papi. Okay. That means they're ready. Oh, it's hot and it's smoking. I didn't drop that. All right, it's very, very hot, so please be careful. We're gonna put it quite wrinkly. We're gonna put on our cooling rack so it doesn't sweat. We're gonna let this cool completely so that it can set, and then we're ready to eat it. There you have it.
Yeah, Dilla, we let it cool, then we cut it, and now we're gonna serve it.
Yeah, they look amazing. Literally 3 ingredients plus our chocolate chips, so 4 ingredients, but the chocolate chips are not essential.
So guys, you can serve this hot with some ice cream or cream or custard.
Yeah, there's many ways that you can serve it, but right now we're gonna have a simple bite of a simple brownie. It's divine. It's rich, it's decadent, it's amazing. So, Nutella brownies.
If you can make it,
so can you.